Hi Gobi.
Hi.
Gobi. I have to tell you something. I think I am really sick. I will probably die soon.
Okay.
Remember all the good times together as best friend.
I will miss you, Dolan.
I don't want to die alone. Please kill people for me, Gobi.
But that would be murder, Dolan.
Gobi. If you kill more than 5 people, it's religion, not murder.
Okay, I will do it for you, Dolan.
Thanks. You are a really good friend. Gobi.
Okay, I killed people for you.
I can't believe what you just did, Gobi. I called the cops.
Wait, have you cheated me again? You will not die at all.
I thought it was cancer, but it was just my penis.
I fucking hate you, Dolan.
Gobi, please.